Let's do some exploration around the directional support. Imagine walking around a forest with no sense of direction like Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz. She needed the encouragement and assistance to find her way to Emerald City. Mentors and mentees think similarly as Dorothy. Many ask, do we know if we're on the right path? Do we know if our choices are effective? One thing I believe deep down will help educators in finding the pathway out of this forest, along with making an impact on students' learning, is supporting each other. Support and emotional well being starts a new teacher off in the right direction, as well as provides what is needed to stay on the right path. Consider all support areas: emotional, communication, physical, and instructional, with the student centered focus included. How would we describe each of these areas? Emotional support would encompass the health and well being of teachers and students. The trauma students face that we as teachers have to understand falls in this category. I would also associate this area with social emotional needs of both students and teachers. If there's an absence of self care of a new teacher, I would include it here as well. The category of communication would include student to teacher to colleague, and also teacher to parent. Some of the big topics to discuss with beginning teachers in this area would be student management concerns, parent phone calls, collaboration norms with teammates, and especially observations by administrators. Physical support is more self explanatory, with providing information about locations and copiers, along with building procedures and schedules. Lastly, instructional support is key to the success of beginning teachers beyond their first years. Shifting our support to more around methods and instructional strategies can be more effective than discussing content related planning. This would also include observing in job alike classrooms to deepen the instructional impact on students. I would add that having that discussion around impact on student learning and achievement is helpful to strengthen our role as teachers. Knowing which area to provide assistance when can be tricky. It could even be that a new teacher needs support in more than one area in one day. The teacher in the beginning years has various rounds of support needed at many different times, as we all do.